Slowly on the next breath in, let's open the eyes. And now we're going to prepare for the alternate nostril breathing. So take your right hand and close your index finger and your middle finger, bringing the other two fingers out to the side and the thumb open. Then we'll start off with the left side. So close the right nostril and inhale left. Exhale right. 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 Now we're going to stay on the right side. Inhale right. Exhale left. 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 Last one. Inhale right. Exhale left. Relax. Return to your natural breath. Observe the feeling and the sensation in the body and how the nervous system responds. A few moments here.